We're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Japanese. Japanese has 3 writing systems: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. But for now we'll use hiragana. First, let's say nice to meet you in Japanese. It's Hajimemashite. Let's repeat it together and learn the pronunciation. Hajimemashite, 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 Hajimemashite. Next, let's learn how to say I'm happy to meet you in Japanese. Next, I'm going to tell you my name. Let's practice the pronunciation together. Now I'll say my name is Michael in Japanese. It's Watashi no namae. Namae means name. What this means is my kid means Michael. My name is Michael in Japanese. Watashi no namae wa Michael desu. Watashi no namae wa Michael desu. Watashi no namae wa From next time we'll keep learning basic greetings and self-introductions. I'll make it fun and easy to keep going, so please subscribe to the channel.